All right, folks, this is a quick video instruction on how to create a Padlet for your food web collaboration. So if you are the person in your group who is going to create the Padlet, you need to go up to your browser tab and you can just type in padlet.com. Now, my Google is set up to automatically log me into my account. You are probably going to need to create an account. It's really easy. It's free. Just use your GoTVDSB account. So there is probably a login up here that you will have to click to create your account. Once you have created your account, you are going to come over here where it says make a Padlet, and you're going to click make a Padlet. Oh, I have to delete a Padlet. Hold on. Okay, we'll try this again. So you're going to come and click the pink button that says make a Padlet. Once you make a Padlet, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click Canvas. You're going to select Canvas because this tool allows you to connect posts, which you will need to do for your food web. So you're going to select Canvas, and now it's starting your Padlet, and you're actually almost done. I would change the name of your Padlet to Lake Erie Food Web, and then breakout room number, whatever is your breakout room. So maybe this is breakout room number 10. Okay, and then done by, and then your group members' names here. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. After you've done that, you can scroll down and it gives you the choice to change your wallpaper. So you can pick any background colors you like. I'm just going to pick plain old white for this task, but you can pick a color. And then you can click next. Once you're done, your Padlet is ready. So you have to share your Padlet with your you have to share the Padlet with your group. So you will need to get the URL right here, copy it, and then paste it in your document that you're working on and in the chat for your breakout room. After you've done that, everybody in your group should be able to work on and edit your Padlet. The second thing that this grid feature, the reason we're using this grid feature is because you can make connections. So I'm going to quickly show you how to connect two posts. So say I was making my food web and I was using the sun and grass, and I wanted to show the feeding relationship between the sun and the grass. So I'm going to show the energy being transferred. So I'm going to click the three dots for the sun, and I'm going to click connect to a post, and then I can connect right there. And now my posts are connected, and if I move my grass, it stays connected. Now, something you could think about for your Padlet food web is you could add images. So you could edit, and you could add a picture of the organism to add to your food web. So you are going to use Padlet, and once you have created your Padlet, you need to make sure you have shared it with your group. Only one group member needs to create the Padlet. That's really important. So you're all working on the same food web. Okay, that's it for this tutorial on creating a Padlet for a food web.